In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a recurring task in Asana. Asana is a powerful project management tool that helps you streamline your workflow, and setting up recurring tasks is one of its many invaluable features. By following these steps, you can automate repetitive tasks and free up your brain power for more important projects. First, let's start by locating the Create button. You'll find it conveniently positioned in the top left corner of your Asana interface. Clicking on this will present you with a list of options. Choose Task from this list. This marks the beginning of your task creation journey. Next, it's time to name your task. Since this task will be recurring, think of a name that succinctly represents its ongoing nature, such as Create a Weekly Report. A well-chosen name not only keeps things organized, but also sets expectations for anyone involved. After naming the task, the next crucial step is to assign it to the appropriate person. Doing so ensures accountability and clarity. Think about who will be responsible for completing this task regularly. Next, add the project to which this task belongs. Adding a project serves to streamline all related activities, making it easy to find and manage tasks related to that specific project. Moving forward, you should provide a detailed task description. This description should clearly outline what needs to be done, making sure whoever is tasked with this job has all the details they need at their fingertips. Taking the time to write a thorough description now can save a lot of questions and confusion later. Once that's done, it's time to set the deadline for this recurring task. You'll do this by clicking on the calendar icon at the bottom of your task window. This step is crucial as it helps you keep track of when a task is due to ensure things stay on schedule. With the deadline in place, let's make this task repeat. To set the task to repeat, you'll select the loop icon. This will allow you to choose how often this task should recur. You have the flexibility to set it to repeat daily, weekly, monthly, or on whichever schedule suits your needs. Take a moment to consider when the task should send reminders, specifying the precise day of the week or month when the task should re-emerge in your workflow. Once you've set all these parameters to your satisfaction, simply click on Create Task, and there you have it. You've successfully set up a recurring task in Asana. This small adjustment can make a significant difference, improving the consistency of your workflow and freeing up time for other essential duties. With these steps, your efficiency and productivity in Asana are set to increase. Thank you for following along, and I hope this makes your experience with Asana even smoother. Happy tasking!